Hey guys, a little prologue before we get started. In today's episode, we talk about macaroni and cheese. Now, my macaroni and cheese is a fully protected secret under the Bova government, which only exists in this house. But it is protected, and I don't pass it on lightly. So today's episode is about passing on my mac and cheese recipe. Okay, time for lunch. It's what's going on in here?
What do you mean?
Well, what's up with the boxes and pillows, and what's up with this, silhouette of Tokyo? Okay, well, back to the old question. What do you think for lunch?
Father, I believe I am ready for the final lesson. Please show me the secret of the room.
So you believe you are ready? Well, prove yourself. In combat.
Very well, Father. My cleverness is unsurpassed. Victory is mine. Ha ha ha! Come and get me, fool.
You are indeed clever, but... Your skill is great. It is a shame I must now destroy you.
Think again, Father. Your recipe will be mine.
Whoa! Whoa! Very well. Take the recipe.
Okay. So, to the victor go the spoils. Kaylee, here's your instructional mac and cheese video. I'm giving you all of the protected Bova secrets. Well, they're my secret. They're not really protected either. But anyway, so this is how you make a cream sauce. We're going to start any good mac and cheese recipe with a nice cream sauce. So this is a roux. A roux is equal parts fat and flour, any kind of fat. Now, because it's a cream sauce, we're going to add about a cup of milk. And this is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and now we're adding about a cup of milk. Now, after this, you could add anything and make a beautiful cream sauce. A little bit of salt, a dash of nutmeg, and you got a nice Alfredo sauce. Add some different kinds of cheeses, you get different kinds of cheese sauces. So stop right here. This is cream sauce. Make anything. But today, we're adding cheese. Not just a little cheese. All the cheese. This has got to be about 10 ounces of cheese. Just whatever seems to be way too much. Now I've got the heat turned off here, and I'm just whisking in the cheese off the heat. So it's important to realize here that I've turned off the heat. There's plenty of heat left in the sauce to melt cheese. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add some Parmigiano Reggiano. And this is mostly because cheddar is a bit of a buttery cheese already, so we want to add a cheese that's going to make it cheesier and stronger. Now we add our beautiful secret ingredient. Womp, 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 womp. It gives us this because of its emulsifying goodness. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week on another episode of Cooking Under Quarantine.
Hello.
I hope you know more about mac and cheese now. Now you own the highly protected secret of macaroni and cheese. And cream sauces of all types. So use it. Use it wisely. And we'll see you soon. Subscribe at the bottom. Like the video. Share the video. And we'll see you next week.
Up.